Hi, on this demo I will show you how to use TANGObuilder platform to get your structural design from your architectural layout. First, you need to prepare your building layout, indicating external walls, internal walls, and opening. Also, you can add the roof. Now, you need to log into our web platform, answer a few simple questions, and upload your files. And that's it, your project is ready. Once your project is ready, you can use the filters to check the components, and then download the results. TANGObuilder generates the structural drawings. Also, we'll prepare the calculation package. TANGObuilder can generate schematic designs comparing multiple solutions. It will also generate all the simulation files you need.